All right, fifth grade, this is your lesson 9 homework on adding decimals. So for the top question, number 1, all of these are just in words. There's no actual adding like it is in number 2. Most of this you can do in your head. If you need a scratch piece of paper, of course, go grab one. I will do a couple with you because some of them are a little bit trickier than others. The first one is the most straightforward. 3/10 plus 4/10 equals how many tenths? Well, 3 plus 4 is 7. So this will equal 7/10. Now here's where we get a little tricky. 12/10 plus 9/10. If I were to add 12 and 9 together, I get 21. So I will have a total of 21/10. Now, remember groups of 10 move over to the next place value? So I have to ask myself, how many groups of 10 do I have in 21? Or how many times does 10 go into 21? Well, it goes in twice. I have 2 groups of 10. With how many left over? 1. Okay? So let's do F as well. I have 39 thousandths plus 5 thousandths. Now for numbers like this, you might have to add them over to the side. Don't worry. You can always do that. So 9 plus 5 is 14. And carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I know I'm going to have a total of 44 thousandths. Now again, groups of 10 move on over. So how many times does 10 go into 44? Goes in 4 times. With how many left over? 4. Okay? So with number 2, all you have to do with the decimals is line up that decimal point. Okay? The numbers don't really matter as much as that decimal point needs to be lined up. Thankfully, all of these have the same number of numbers after the decimal point, so it'll line up automatically. But sometimes you might get ones that don't. So just be careful that you're lining up your decimal point. So 2.04 or 2 4/100 plus 7/100. Do you see how I lined up my decimal points right there? That's very important. 4 plus 7 is 11, so I put the 1 there and I carry a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down my decimal point. 2 plus 0 is 2. So my answer to this is 2 11/100. Okay? I hope this helps you and jogs your memory. Good luck on your homework.